Hello guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing good. It's been a long time no see, so I just thought of coming up and uploading a powerful motivational video, which obviously everyone needs somewhere down in the life. That motivation, that one kick, that one push, and you never know how it can have an impact in someone's life. So yeah, what I'm going to talk about today is let's try to sense that light when life seems to be dark. It seems that we have entered into a tunnel and we are just not able to get out of it. There is no ray of hope which we can see. It feels like we have stuck our life or ourselves into that tunnel. Let's just try to break that thing or just try to understand how to get out of that tunnel, because everyone gets that phase in life where you are just down and out. You don't have anything to push yourself. You feel so demotivated and you feel like, oh my god, that's not me. You're just not able to push yourself. You feel that toughness, that it feels so difficult that it's even difficult to move out of your bed. Feels like I don't want to work. There everyone goes through that time, goes through that patch where you are completely hit by the life. And actually when life tries to hit in its own way, you have to fall down on the floor. But does it where the life end? No. Everyone will get down there. Everyone will get to the floor, get to the knees. Such is the nature of life when it tries to hit you. But we need to get back up. We need to show that energy that yes, we are not here to just stay there where we are. When you actually get hit by life, you need to have that to get up, move ahead with more power, with more energy, with smile on your face, because that is the most important thing. Irrespective of the situation, you need to have that smile on your face. You need to just embrace, just accept, just show the gratitude towards life for what it have been towards you. You'll always have something to cheer about, something to appreciate. No doubt about that. There can be no person in life who can say that I don't have anything to appreciate in my life. This is a time where you just need to introspect. You need to just have that belief, that confidence that yes, it's okay. If I'm down, if I'm out today, I will come back much stronger, like a boss. You need to have that belief. You need to have that confidence in you. Because everyone have to get there, get down. But very few gathers the courage to get up. Because when you are down and out, it's so easy to just put your hands up and say, I give up. I rest my case. I don't want to fight. I don't want to chase my goal. That is what nature wants from you. When actually nature tries to pull you down, he just wants one thing, and that is give up on your dream. Say in your mind that I don't want this anymore. And that is where life wins, and it becomes very easy for the life, to give someone something rather than giving that person who is down, actually. Because you will not get what you desire, but you will get whatever you work for, the effort which you put in. You can desire a number of things, but you will not get all of them. There may be times where you get more than your desires just because your efforts were such. And there can be times where you can get even not 50% of what you desire because your efforts were not that. It's just not that, you'll go to the bed and dream that I'll get this, I'll do this. And when you wake up in the morning, everything will be beside your bed and you'll have everything, whatever you dreamed of in the night. It's not like that. You have to go through the grind. You have to, push yourself. You have to unleash the beast. You have to work hard day in, day out. You have to keep hustling. You have to go through the darkest days and not only just go through, but just grow and just keep that motivation always there, that energy level always pretty much high. You have to have that in you to pass the legacy, whatever you are learning in life. This is the way you just pursue whatever you want in life. I would like to take a small example how life hits you and how life just wants that one line, I rest my case or I give up or whatever. Suppose for example you are having your exams, okay? It can be any exam, for example professional, competitive, whatever exams, okay? What the superior forces or the power will do, just before the exams, you have studied throughout very hard, okay? Just before the exams, you'll fall ill. Family, there will be some issues. There will be some uncertain events, What? Kya hai sir? This is life wants to test that do you deserve this? Do you have that grit, that stubbornness to still stick to your goal and say, irrespective of the situation, I am chasing you and I'll get to you. Trust me, if you have that now, you will get whatever you want, irrespective of the things going around you. But as soon as you get ill or the uncertain thing happen and you'll be like, why with me? Why with me? You lost your case. Most of the times in such situation, result will be opposite of what you are desiring for. Because life wants to test. And you surrendered. And that is what life wants. And as soon as you surrender, it gets very easy for the life to, search for the new candidates. And who will not surrender, he will get that thing. This is how life works. Same goes in the office. For example, you have a certain important project. You are failing, like you are not keeping good, you are not doing well. You have two choices. To go in that difficult situation and try to be a part of it. Even if you don't perform 100%, at least have that courage to go there. Or you can just, opt to sit back at home and be like, why with me? Why I'm ill? It's not my fault. The one who will do the second wala thing, that sit back at home and crib about, will not get what he desired for. But the one who had the courage to, just go there, irrespective of not feeling good, being in that grind, he will achieve more than what you could have desired for. This is how life works. This is how the nature works. And to give a perfect example of this, there was a time where I was hearing a video on YouTube where I came across one thing, that there was a time in late 60s, Ratan Tata ji, the great Ratan Tata sir, okay, there was some important project where he just need to sign the agreement. And on that sign, thousands of dollars amount would have been transferred to the foreign company. It was such a big deal. So for that thing, he stressed himself for continuous 72 hours, okay, without sleep. Online meeting it was going on. If he, at the age of late 60s, can go through that process for 72 hours without sleeping, that is called commitment. That is how you perform. And there will come a time where you need to sacrifice everything. Just because you are so passionate, you are so stubborn about your dream. You have to go through that. You have to do that. And if you go through all this and then you be like, why with me? Then you can, have that, you can be in a position. But if you just don't want to do all these tough things and you want to be like, mere saath hi hota hai, mere saath hi aisa kyun? Then you just can't be, one dimensional. You have to broaden your perspective. You can't be rigid. You have to soak in. You have to do the introspection and you have to keep learning always. And there's always that hope. Whenever you are stuck into a tunnel, just keep believing. Just keep pushing yourself. Just keep doing some or the other things. There will come a time where you will be able to move out of that thing. Everyone goes through that tunnel. You just need to have that belief in you that you can sense that light, that there is something there at the end of the tunnel. And nature will support you. Just show that grit, that determination, that dedication, that stubbornness, that no matter what, this is my goal and I am chasing you. And trust me, the universe will support you. But not only support, he will challenge you. He will put you down. Have that courage, have that belief, have that confidence that no matter what, I'll come through this and I'll, conquer whatever I want to. Thank you guys. Keep hustling, keep smiling, stay energetic, have that smile on your face.